Today, I will show you how to install the DStv Android app on your PC using Bluestacks emulator. This method is lighter, smoother, and uses fewer browser resources compared to streaming in Chrome or Edge. This is very useful if your PC is slow or if your browser uses too much RAM.
In your browser, search for Bluestacks Emulator Download. Select the official website and download the installer file.
I'll skip the installation process since it's straightforward, so go ahead and install it on your own. Now, let's open the Bluestacks emulator directly. Now, you need to sign in using your Google account. Click the profile icon at the top and enter your Google details to continue. Search for DStv Stream and install it from the Google Play Store. Now, open the DStv Stream app from your home screen. To access your content, you will need your multi-choice ID, which is simply the email address or mobile number you use to register your DStv account, along with your password. If you haven't linked your account yet, you'll need your smart card number or customer number handy to verify your subscription. Thanks for watching. If this helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.